Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will share with you guys 10 amazing apps that I believe every iPhone user must have on their device. These are super useful apps that will make your life easier using your iPhone on daily basis, and we're starting with the first one. It is called Table of Contents, and this is actually an extension for Safari. So all you have to do is just install the app and then you get to use it on Safari. So you tap right here, you go to manage extensions and make sure you have Table of Contents enabled for Safari. Once you have done that, you tap the done button and you can see now here what this extension will do. So we are on the website here, we're on the Apple website. We can just tap right there and tap on Table of Contents, and there we have now the table of contents for that website. So you can just go ahead and jump to different things right here. How easy is that? When browsing a website, having the table of contents here for every website is actually super useful. You can just jump to any section you want as easy as that. Next up is OOAI. This is an AI app that makes searching actually really fun and really fast as well. So if you want to search for something, usually when you Google something, it will just show you links to different websites. But with this one, I can just go ahead and just search for something and it will give me every detail I need to know. So let's just go ahead and make a search here. So let's search for the latest version of iOS, and it will just make the search here in a few seconds and will give us every detail we need to know, not just a simple search with different links or images. So here we have the result, we have the contents right here. We can go ahead and of course move between them, and then we have the current public available version. So of course iOS 18.4.1, right here we have the latest date of course, and we have the key updates on this update. So you will get basically everything that you need to know, not just get a result with different links, but everything that you need to know here. So everything detailed about the latest update. And you have the one previous to this, so it's actually pretty awesome. Also talking about beta versions, it lets you know which version is on beta right now, so it's actually super useful. Genspark is the next app for the video. This is also an AI app. It's basically an AI agent that just gives you all the AI tools in one place. So here we have the home screen of this app. You can just ask anything here, make a search or something like that. But then you can go to the agents right here and you will find all kinds of different agents. So you will have here an agent that can actually make a call for you, currently only working in the US and Japan. Then you will have here all kinds of like different agents like fact check and agentic data table. Then right here you can go ahead and do translations. You will have an image studio, the chats of course, generate videos and all that. So if I just want to generate a video, I can go ahead and have a prompt entered here, and I can also choose with which service I want to just create that video using AI, or I can just choose the mixer right there and it will pick the best ones for me automatically and let me create that video out of just a prompt, or maybe even add an image, as it allows you to add image and actually create a video based on the image that you add. And then right here we'll have all the different tasks that you have open. We can go ahead and manage them right there, and you will have your settings here. Now here's one of my favorites from this list. It is called Airclap, and it allows you to share files with any devices on your network. So the way it works, you install it on your iPhone and you install it on your other devices as well. Whether you have a PC, a Mac, or maybe an Android device, as long as you have this installed on both devices, you can just go ahead and share things. So right here you can see once I have it opened, it will scan for devices nearby that do have this app installed on them. So I can just tap on that device right there. I can input the content right here. I can add an image or add any files I want from here. So if I just want to send a file, I can go ahead and send as easy as that. You can see in a second there, it's done, and right here on my Mac, it pops up. I can go ahead and open the file, take a look at the file, maybe delete it or save it anywhere I want on my Mac. So it's actually pretty easy cross platforms to share files. Now here's one of my favorite apps that I have actually installed lately on my iPhone. It is called WikTok. It's actually amazing. Now this is something I believe everyone must have on their iPhone and just spend at least a few minutes a day on this app. So basically, it's Wikipedia combined with TikTok. So it works like TikTok. You will have the scrolling gesture right here, and it just shows you random things, random facts from Wikipedia. So you can see right here, it shows you all kinds of different information, all kinds of like different things to know about. You can see a random city here. You will have cool like different things to learn about every day. You will have all informations right here. You can share this post, you can search for it if you want more, you can bookmark it, or if you want to see the full article, because this is a summary of course, you can go ahead and even open it on Safari. Now here's another really cool one. It is called On Lock Screen, and it allows you to have your pictures on the lock screen of your device. Not as wallpaper, of course, you can do that without an app, but as a live activity. I can have this photo right here on my lock screen. So if I just want to display a picture here, any picture I want, I can go ahead and add it with this app. So as you can see, we have that picture, and if you actually pay a premium subscription, you will be able to also add more pictures. So it's actually pretty awesome. Of course, you tap here and just pick any picture you want from your camera roll, and you can have it displayed as a live activity on your lock screen. Speech to email is up next. This one allows you to create emails using AI. It's actually pretty awesome. So let's say you don't have time to compose an email, you want to make it quick. Let's just do one. I'm sorry, but I cannot make it today. So just give a prompt right there, a couple of words, and it will actually create an email for you. So you can see right here, it does actually do the thing like in seconds. So you will also have here like different, basically you can just change your mood there if you're angry, or maybe it's a business email or just a friendly email. As easy as that, you can actually create your emails. Now once you tap there, you will actually save it, and you will have all of the emails that you have previously created right here, and you can just go ahead and copy them anytime you need them, or you can even edit them after you have actually saved them. Next up is desktop browser. Now this is an actual desktop browser for your iPhone. So here we go to the full screen, and it shows you right here the full website, how it does actually look on a desktop. Now what's really cool is that if you tap right there, you will be able to change the desktop. So here we have Safari Mac, we have Chrome, we have basically every like different web browser, and you can see this is Internet Explorer. Is it slow or not? It's probably slow, but again, you can just go ahead and switch between anything you want, and even other tablets right here or any other device. You can go ahead and take a look how it does look on that device. Otherwise, we'll have all the different controls here, the bookmarks, your history. You can go full screen and you will have the arrows right there as well. And of course, you can use it as a normal browser. Next up is Island Widgets. This will add widgets to your dynamic island. Now here's what I'm talking about. You will have these kind of things right here, like the speed. If I'm on a car, for example, and I'm using this, I can go ahead and add it to my dynamic island right there. Or maybe the cell phone usage time right there, have it on the dynamic island. And things like the CPU, the RAM usage right there. You will have a lot of things to add to your dynamic island. Like if you go to health here, maybe you're running or something like that, or just walking, you can have everything right there on the dynamic island. So it's actually pretty useful. So you will have a few recommended ones, and then you will have all kinds of different ones right there in different categories, from your favorites to health, live, and tools. It's actually pretty awesome. So you can see right here we have the weather as well. So you will have all kinds of different things, like a to-do list, for example. If I just want to add it, I can go ahead and add it right there to the dynamic island. Let me just enable this. So basically what you're doing here is you're having widgets right on the dynamic island. You can have access to them anytime you want. Things like this, you can see you can even interact with them, like checking here one of these things on the to-do list is actually super cool. And last but not least is Stashy, probably the easiest way to organize your links and everything else. So right here, if we copy a link, we can just go ahead and paste it right here, allow the paste of course, and you can see it has that little icon. You can of course edit it anytime you want. You can pick a category right there for everything that you save. Once you have saved it, it will organize everything into different categories, from shopping to recipes, articles, work, and everything else. And of course, you will have a search bar to search for your links. You can view your link anytime you want simply by tapping it. It will of course redirect you to Safari. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed these apps and found them helpful. If you did and you want to download any of them, check out the pinned comment. You will find all the links there. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.